Here we have an update on the 1966 N700 CrewCab. This is the slave cylinder for the brakes. They are powered, has a large 12.5-inch booster plus a large reservoir. So I sandblasted all of the backing plates today. There's no pitting or anything. They look just beautiful. You can still see the stamp numbers and such in them. Here's one. Here's the other. It's PPG urethane base clear is what I put on them. Here's part of the power brake booster. Has a very, very large drum. It's 15-inch diameter by I think a 4-inch shoe. So huge, lots like 210 square inches of front brake material. Here's the other drum, a front drum, the other part of the booster. It came out pretty decent here. You can see the big B for Bendix in it. The wheels are, the brakes and everything, the hubs and everything are Bud. It says Bud, there's the number. Zero pitting, barely any surface rust on the drums. Here I have the drums and the backing plates and such off. Here's the shoes. I need to clean them up, but they had just been replaced. They had about 100 miles on them, but then the truck sat for 31 years. The guy had a stroke right after he got it engine rebuilt and the brakes redone, so I have to do them again. Here's actually the brand new wheels, brand new Toyo tires. A little dirty, they've been hanging around here for a while, but wheels and tires are all new. There's the basic truck here. This right door was replaced. It was at one time, I'm not sure exactly when. There's the driver's side of Big N Crew. I pulled the side panel off so I could access the booster slave cylinder. Just get things cleaned up and replacing all the hydraulics on it. A temporary gas tank. Here we are. So I already have, it's registered. I have insurance on it, so just a matter of getting the brakes done. I've been waiting for the weather to cool here, so we're getting real close. I should have the rest of the brake parts on Tuesday. There's the rear wheel cylinders. They're absolutely massive. And there's actually one for each shoe, so there's 4 of these massive wheel cylinders. I ended up finding everything new, so rebuilding the whole works. The front wheel cylinders, there's also 4 of those. They're not in yet. The back brakes, I believe, are 15 by 6, so they're huge. Here we have the booster and slave cylinder for the 66 N700 CrewCab. I got a little carried away and I did it in PPG base clear. I have a NOS repair kit here for it with everything needed. I have a new diaphragm for it. Lots of little parts. All the nuts and the bolts are I'm cleaning them right now, but here's the slave cylinder. I sprayed it with a light coat of stainless steel with paint. Actually has stainless steel flake in it. And I just put some PPG clear over it just so it'll last a while.